Last fall, I bought an Arctic Cat 90 for $300. I'm going to show you how, with a little bit of work and a few parts that you can put into a well-chosen machine, that you can turn around and sell it and make yourself a little bit of money. Glorious winter, where everything just disappears. Somewhere out here is what I'm looking for. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Ooh. Ah, there's something in there. I dig that out. Good thing I tarped it. Wouldn't want all that snow to cover it up. Might need the truck to pull it out of here. So we have this Arctic Cat that I bought last summer, and the problem with this, it's got a couple minor things. The control for the fuel here is sitting inside, it's not mounted. It's also, tail light is broken. But the biggest problem with this is the kickstart is stuck engaged. So I'm gonna have to open up this case, pull the shaft off, open up this case and have a look to see if maybe something's out of place or something's broken. But when you go to start the motor and it's running, this wants to turn. It wants to follow the motor. So that's no good, gotta be fixed. And these teeth, as you can see, they allow it to go one way. So it'll allow things to slide by one way, but catch on the other. And that catches on these right here, which are similarly designed. They're sloped up and then a sharp edge, sloped up and a sharp edge. Sharp edge there, and then sharp. And this kicks. Gonna go that way and come back. So yeah, so I think this is back in position. So I'm gonna put this back together. So I'm gonna charge the battery up and make sure it cranks over without that still spinning. And then there's some cosmetic stuff to do. I'm gonna have to put a washer on this because there's a piece of plastic broken off. I gotta put fuel adjuster here from on and off, and remount that. I also noticed there's a ground wire off for the light, so I'll have to find a place to put that. And then the bumper has some sheared off bolts. Go a little further, right there. You can see it's sheared off. It's on the same on both sides. So I'll just have to pop that out, put some new ones in. Now I cranked this motor over, and I did get it to fire up, but it won't stay running. And the issue in this one, I believe, will be a dirty carburetor. And now we're gonna do a start. After I hooked up the headlight and tried turning it on, there was no light, which is strange for an LED to burn out. So I tested the voltage and found that the voltage was over 17 volts, which is pretty high. So the rectifier or voltage regulator failed. So bought one on Amazon, and it looks quite a bit different. The original one looks like kind of a pot, you'll see. And it's pretty much just take a screw bolt out and put the other one on, and it's plug and play and all fixed. So I put that round Cyclops bumper light on it.
I got one last ride left in me.
There we go. It has a speed limiter on it, so that's as fast as it'll go without making any modifications. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the feedback. It takes a bit of work to do these videos, and I like responding to people's comments. With the initial cost of the purchase of the quad of $300, plus about $90 in parts, and maybe a couple of afternoons working on it, I sold it for $1,600 for a profit of just over $1,200. That's not bad. I think this is worth doing.